This is a short video to demonstrate the two-part wall and ceiling coving trim. In this video I'm using the white and chrome trim, but it's also available without the chrome section. Each trim comes as two parts, a base profile and a coving trim. The base profile is installed first, with the coving trim clipped on after installation of your ceiling. In this video I will be working upside down, so the carpet you see here would be your existing ceiling, which could be plasterboard, lats and plaster, or whatever your current ceiling is, and the wall would be your finished wall, either cladded with Neptune, multi-panel or tiled. Okay. The base profile, as you can see, has a clip here. This part goes against the wall, with the larger section going against the ceiling. So you would install this into the corner of your room and against the wall, similar to as shown here. You may wish to mitre the corner here and put in another section here around the room to create a perimeter to the room. You would then install your ceiling panels. So in this I'm just going to use some offcuts that we have. It's very difficult doing it one-handed, but this shows how easy the trim is to use because I'm doing it one-handed. So there's my mock ceiling in place. This would obviously be longer, running across the length of the room. You may also wish to put a bead of silicone along the back here to hide any, unformed lines along your wall. You then take your second part, the coving trim, which again you may wish to mitre into the corner for another trim. Starting at the side, give it a push and you will hear it click into place. Put that into place. Does take a little bit of a push, but it would just clicks into place, and there we are. The trim is now sealed and pushed up tight to the boards and create that finishing gap there. The beauty of this trim, if I can pull it back apart, there we go, gives you some tolerances. So if you were to cut boards short, for example like there, and then the next one, I just pull these apart. They're a good fit, these boards, are nice and tight. So if, for example, you're a bit short on one board where this one's tight, these trims do allow for the covering of incorrectly cut boards and gives you a bit of tolerance within the work. So again, just click it into place. So you hear that nice snap and click. You can actually feel it. And there we are, the trim is now back in place and secure. As you can see, if I pull this away from the wall, it's secured together, nice and flat, with the two parts connected together. You can see there's a tolerance gap there. Is hidden by the coving trim. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please do feel free to give us a call or an email at rubberduckbathrooms.co.uk. Thank you very much.